Scene suggestion: high-energy visuals of youthful, vibrant people, slow-motion laughter, bright sunlight, DNA animations. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling 10 years younger, sharper, stronger, and more energetic, without spending a single penny on fancy anti-aging supplements. Sounds impossible? Most people spend thousands on pills, powders, and creams, yet their body keeps aging like clockwork. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what happens in your body when you target the root causes of aging, using methods so simple and science-backed that doctors rarely tell you about them. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to reverse aging naturally, week by week, and it won't cost you a fortune. Text overlay for hook: reverse aging naturally, no pills needed. Visuals: animated cells repairing themselves, close-up of mitochondria, vibrant healthy tissue versus grey aging tissue. The first step to reversing aging starts at the cellular level. Your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells, slow down as you age. This makes you feel fatigued, mentally foggy, and weak. Here's the secret: intermittent fasting. Just 14 to 16 hours without food each day triggers a process called autophagy, a fancy word for your body cleaning out damaged cells and recycling them into energy. By day 3 or 4 of this routine, you'll notice mental clarity returning, midday energy crashes disappearing, a subtle lightness in your body. Think of it like taking out the trash inside your body every day. The better your cellular cleanup, the slower your aging clock ticks. And the best part? No supplements required, just smart timing of meals. Visuals: hormone molecules, animated testosterone-estrogen balancing, happy active people in slow motion. Week 2 is where the magic happens in your hormones, the real drivers of aging. Low energy, poor recovery, and stubborn fat all come from hormone imbalance. Here's a key hack: protein plus healthy fats in the morning. Eggs, wild salmon, or avocado. These foods provide the building blocks for testosterone, estrogen, growth hormone. Science shows that healthy fats and cholesterol in your diet don't clog your arteries, they fuel your hormone production. Men report more strength and libido. Women notice better mood stability and cycle regulation. Even better, you don't need exotic powders or injections. Just focus on real, whole foods that your body can actually use. Visuals: animated neurons firing, synapses glowing, glowing brain scans, people reading and learning quickly. By week 3, it's time to focus on your brain health. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or grey hair, it's about cognitive decline. Here's the secret weapon: choline, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Found in foods like eggs, yolk, grass-fed dairy, wild-caught fish, leafy greens. Choline is the raw material your brain uses to produce acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter for memory and focus. Omega-3s rebuild your neurons, acting like insulation for your brain wiring. And antioxidants? They protect your eyes and neurons from daily damage caused by blue light and free radicals. After just 1 week of targeting these nutrients, people report faster thinking, less brain fog, sharper memory, quicker reaction times. You're literally repairing your brain from the inside out. Visuals: fit, toned bodies, close-up on skin elasticity, collagen animation under skin, exercise in nature. Next up, your muscles and skin. Aging isn't just in your head, it's visible in sagging skin, wrinkles, and shrinking muscles. Here's the key: strength training plus collagen support. But don't buy overpriced powders. Your body can make collagen naturally if you give it. Protein from eggs, fish, or meat. Vitamin C from citrus or peppers. Strength training, even 20 minutes 3x a week, signals your body to retain muscle and skin elasticity, boosting metabolism and slowing wrinkles. By week 4, you'll notice firmer skin, more lean muscle, increased recovery, better posture. Your body literally starts rebuilding itself like a finely tuned machine. Visuals: animated arteries, anti-inflammatory foods glowing, people meditating, calm lifestyle visuals. The final piece of the anti-aging puzzle? Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer. It ages your cells, damages arteries, and accelerates cognitive decline. Here's the solution. Eat colorful vegetables and fruits, antioxidants. Include nuts and seeds, omega-3s. Get sunlight or vitamin D naturally. Move daily and manage stress. Even small changes drastically reduce inflammatory markers in your blood. Think of it as rust-proofing your body from the inside. By now, your skin glows, your energy is higher, your mind is sharp, and your body feels resilient. Visuals: vibrant, youthful people laughing, walking outside, happy lifestyle shots, text overlays of key benefits. So what happens if you follow this roadmap for 30 days? Cellular reset, cleaner energy, balanced hormones and metabolism, sharper brain and better memory, stronger muscles and glowing skin, lower inflammation and longer lifespan. You haven't just slowed aging, you've reversed some of its effects naturally, without spending a dime on expensive supplements. If you want more life-changing, science-backed hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. I'm ready to reverse aging. I'll see you in the next video, where we break down even more secrets your body isn't telling you.